If you want to grow your business quickly, you may be thinking, I need to get investors. And I have people that come to me all the time to say, you know what, I want to grow fast. I want to get VC money, right? Venture capital money, or I want to get angel investors. Well, that's great, but the reality is probably 98% of the people I talk to are never going to qualify for VC money. And when I say the people I talk to Main Street businesses. Are you opening a restaurant? Are you opening a franchise? Are you opening a small manufacturing company? You give swim lessons. People come to me for all sorts of stuff. The reality is, to get VC money, you have to have a business that can grow 100 times in 3 years, right? One of the normal metrics is, can this business earn $50 million in gross revenues by year 3? You got to think about your business. What kind of crazy scenario would have to happen for you to be making $50 million in revenues in 3 years? It's hard to do. You probably don't qualify. So the best thing is, stop thinking about VCs. You can spend hundreds of hours online watching how to get VC money, but if you have the wrong business, it doesn't matter how good your business plan is, doesn't matter how good your pitch is, doesn't matter how many VCs you talk to, you're never going to get it. You're much better off focusing your time on building your business. And when you do that, you create an awesome lifestyle business, one that you can make a lot of money. You don't have to share the revenues with anybody because you own it. So it's much better, and well, frankly, you probably don't qualify for VC money anyway, so it's really pointless to be thinking about it or wasting your time on it.